guys, I'm just pulling up to HRE Open House. This is a once in a year event and I almost crashed. Last year was really fun. Last year was really fun. It was a large event last year. Hopefully it's as good or bigger this year than last year. Let's go see some very nice builds. Since we came very early today, we are going to do some trailer spotting. So a lot of these trailers like this one on my left are coming in. So we're just gonna go look at the two trailers and see what cars they brought. That was Flying Racing's car, her car. I'd never seen her car that 2RS before. Voodoo blue with probably HRE wheels, but we might have seen it, but I doubt it. She changed the wheels to HRE, probably. For those of you guys who don't know what HRE is, let me quickly explain.
HRE Performance Wheels is a high-end wheel designer and manufacturer based in Vista, California. What makes their product stand out and design apart from the other brands is their attention to detail within every step of their forged aluminum alloy wheels. Its loyal customer base is made up of all car enthusiasts, from the stance community to the niche hypercar owners all over the world. Only a handful of selected car dealerships, specialty retails, and performance companies carry the respected brand that is HRE.
We have entered the factory. This is where they actually make and produce and hold all their inventory, and this is where they hold the nicest cars for display for the people who come here at HRE Open House. We're here at the back of the warehouse. The front, there's only a small amount of cars there, but here in the back, there's a lot more. I could. That was our day today. It was a quick little tour of the place. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.